Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to file Robinhood taxes or how you can report Robinhood taxes, right? So before starting this up, you need to collect some of the tax documents, which is basically 1099. If you don't know how to get it, it's very easy. You can just get it from IRS and you can just go to Google and basically you can just type here 1099 form, right, and you will get it from directly from IRS, as you can see here over your screen, and you will get it, right, and something like that, right. So the second thing, the second document which should 1099B, 1099 DIV for dividends, and same goes for the interest 1099 INT, right. So now you have to report on form 8949. So let's go into our 8949. Okay, we will just go to Google here, 8949. By the way, you can just go with the software, whichever software you're using for the tax filing, or same goes if you're using or asking any consultant to do that. So list each transaction, including the trade acquired, date sold, proceed from the sale, cost basis, and gain and loss here in the 8949 form. Go through all the transaction listed in your 1099 form. Make sure you understand each transaction type, including the stock sales, dividend, and interest. Now you have to transfer to the schedule D, summarize the transaction from 8949 on the schedule D. Capital gain and losses include short-term gains for asset held less than a year, and long-term gains for the asset held more than a year. Then use schedule B to report. So basically, let me show you, this is part 2, and basically this is available in 8949 and 1099, right. Then you have to move to the schedule B of 1099 dividend and 1099 interest. Enter the information into that. Transfer the total from the schedule D and schedule B to your form 1040, including your capital gains and dividend, right. Now you have to consider deduction and credits too. Now double check for the accuracy, and if you face any problem, basically the best solution will be to contact a tax professional. Now submit your completed tax return to the IRS by the tax filing deadline, right, and which is by the April 15th of a calendar year. So make sure you follow the instruction carefully. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.